Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn subject and predicate. So let us see what are subjects and predicate. So before this we should know what is sentence. A sentence is a combination of words that gives a complete sense or meaning. That is called sentence, which gives complete sense or meaning is called sentence. So each sentence have two parts. What are those? Subject and predicate. It contains two parts, subject and predicate. Let us understand this with an example. Raj is reading a book. So here subject is Raj. He is reading a book is predicate. So Raj is the work doer. Who is doing the work? So answer of who or what we get from the subject. Whereas what the subject is doing, that answer we will see in the predicate. And each predicate will have a verb. So let us see what is subject. The subject of a complete sentence is who or what the sentence is about. Who or what is very important here. Subject which tells us who or what in a sentence. Subject may be either noun or pronoun or a group of words. Predicate. A predicate is the part of the sentence that tells about the subject. It contains a verb that tells what the subject is doing. So in predicate we will know what the subject is doing or what the subject is telling. About the subject information we will get in the predicate. And predicate will have verb. So we have to find the verb in it. Let us understand more better by all these examples. Hari is eating a mango. Who is eating? Answer of who is Hari. Hari. So Hari is a subject. And what this subject Hari is doing? He is eating a mango. Is eating is a verb. Eating a mango. So this is a predicate and it has verb in it, is eating. Next example. They are playing in the garden. Who are playing? They. So this is pronoun. They are playing. So this they is a subject. What they are doing? What they is doing? What subject is doing here? They are playing in the garden. Are playing in the garden. So this information we are getting from this predicate. So are playing in the garden is a predicate. Here the verb is are playing. Next example. The sun rises in the east. What rises in the east? What answer we are getting? So who is telling about what? The sun. So the sun is a subject. And what we are telling about the sun? Rises in the east. So this part is a predicate. We can also simply know the part which left after the subject. This remaining part is a predicate. See this example. I and my mother. Here this is also a noun or pronoun. I is a pronoun. My mother is a noun. So group of word is a subject here. Went to market. What I and my mother, the subject is doing here? went to market. We got information about that. Went to market. So that is a predicate. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate also. Mostly we are seeing that subject is present at the beginning of the sentence, but it is not always true. Sometimes you may find at the end of the sentence, as in this example. On the top of the mountain lives a eagle. Who lives? Answer of who? Who is giving? A eagle. So here the subject is a eagle, and that is present at the end of the sentence. And what we are talking about the eagle? On the top of the mountain lives. Lives is a verb. On the top of the mountain. So this part is predicate. Next example. Here comes the bus. We are talking about the bus. So the bus is a subject. And what we are talking about the bus? Here comes. Comes is a verb. Here comes. So this part is predicate. Now in next type of sentence, that is in imperative sentence, the subject is left out. It is not mentioned in the sentence. But here the subject you is understood. So let us know what is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called imperative sentence. Let us see this with an example. Go there. Stand up. Sit down. Here you cannot see the subject is written, but it is understood. You is a subject here. Go there. We are giving command to someone, giving or telling to someone to go there. So telling to the second person, you. So you subject is understood here in this type of sentence, and this is called imperative sentence. Let us practice this one. This is for you. Just try to find out subject and predicate in this given sentence. The baby is crying. Who is crying? Answer for this is the baby. So the baby is subject. And predicate is crying. Is crying. Starting from the verb is crying is a predicate. The earth revolves around the sun. What revolves around the sun? The earth. The earth is a subject. Revolves, verb. Revolves around the sun. What we are talking about the earth? It revolves around the sun. Revolves around the sun is a predicate. The flower is so beautiful. We are talking about the flower. The flower. What is beautiful? The flower. So the flower is a subject. What we are talking about the flower is so beautiful. Is a verb here. So is so beautiful is a predicate. Go from here. This is an imperative sentence. So you subject is understood here. Thank you so much for watching. You also practice and try to find some more examples of each types. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thanks a lot.